Hello students, today we will learn about chronology of historical events from Jacobean to Restoration period. Jacobean is 1603 to 25 and Restoration period is from 1660 to 1700. In 1625, death of James I, accession of Charles I. In 1629, Charles I begins personal rule with dissolution of Parliament. 1633, Laud appointed Archbishop of Canterbury. 1640, Long Parliament summoned. 1642, Civil War, closing of the theatres. Somewhere you can find 1640 or somewhere you can find 1642. But most of the time we will take 1642, closing of the theatres. 1644, victory of parliamentary army at Marson Moor. 1645, execution of Laud, victory of parliamentary army. 1646, king surrenders to the Scots. 1647, Putney debates. 1649, trial and execution of Charles I. 1649 to 52, Oliver Cromwell conquers Ireland and Scotland. 1653, Cromwell becomes land protector. 1655 to 60, war with Spain. 1658, Cromwell dies, succeeded by his son Richard. 1659, Richard overthrown by the army, Rump Parliament recalled. 1660, Charles II restored reopening of the theatre. This is very important कि when theatres were closed and when theatres were opened. 1662, Church of England restored, Royal Society receives its charter, revision of Book of Common Prayer. 1665, Second Dutch War begins, Great Plague in London. 1666, London destroyed in Great Fire when Wren's plan for a totally new city comes too late to be used. 1681, Lord Shaftesbury tried for high treason, acquitted. 1685, Charles II dies, James II succeeds, Monmouth invades and is crushed. 1688, Glorious Revolution, James II flees, William III and Mary II succeed, Mary dies. Now we will study chronology of literary works of this period. 1621, Burton's Anatomy and Melancholy, Mary Worth, Urania. In 1622, Middleton, The Changeling. 1623, Shakespeare, First Folio came. In 1627, Bacon, New Atlantis came. In 1628, William Harvey, De Motu, Codice of Sanguines. 1629, Andrews, 96 Sermons. 1633, Donne's poems, Herbert, The Temple, Ford, This Pity, She is a Whore. 1634, Milton, Comus performed. 1635, Querulous Emblems. 1637, Milton's Lycidas. 1644 Milton Areopagitica. 1646 Crassus steps to the temple. 1647 Cowley the mistress. 1648 Herrick has paradise. 1649 Lovelace Lucasta. 1650 Marvell Horatian or composed Pogon selects Scintillans. 1651 Hope's Leviathan. 1656 Harrington Oceana. 1660 Dryden Astrea Redux. Pepys began his diary. 1664 Catherine Phillips poems. 1667 Dryden Annus Mirabilis. Milton Paradise Lost. Means in 1667 both Dryden's Annus Mirabilis and Milton Paradise Lost both came. In 1671 Milton's Paradise Regained. 1675 Wycherley The Country Wife. Rochester A Satire Against Mankind. 1677 Dryden All for Love. Behen here is Apra Behen The Rover. 1678 Banyan The Pilgrim's Progress Part 1 मीन्स बनियन जो है उनकी जो है बुक आई थी द पिलग्रिम प्रोग्रेस पार्ट 1. इस बुक में जो हस्बैंड जाते हैं जर्नी पे एंड द पार्ट 2 में जो है उनकी वाइफ भी जर्नी के लिए जाती हैं. 1680 रोचेस्टर पोएम्स. 1681 Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel came. In 1682 Dryden's Macflackno written in 1678 है ना, तो वो यहाँ पर आते हैं. रेलिगो लैसी. In 1687 न्यूटन प्रिंसिपिया. 1690 Locke's essay concerning human understanding. 1695 William Congreve Love for Love. 1700 William Congreve The Way of the World. 17022 to 3 Clarendon's History of the Rebellion. 1704 Daniel Defoe The Review began. Swift Jonathan Swift The Battle of Book and A Tale of Tub came in this year 1704. 1706 Farquhar The Recruiting Officer. 1707 Farquhar The Buke's Stratagem. 1709 Pope Pastorals. 1709 to 11 Steele and Others The Tatler. 1711 to 12 The Spectator came. In the next video we will do the next periods, historical events chronology and works chronology. I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you.